our invited guests from India, both Padam Shri artists, friends from Thiruvananthapuram. Sometime just about 70-80 minutes back, I was at the Tamil Sangam function 10 years, and the hall was as packed, and this hall is as packed, and I'm sure the first day, first show of Shah Rukh Khan's RA1 didn't have the enthusiasm I see in the hall here. And there are various reasons why I see this intensity, why I see a certain chemistry and certain magnetism in the air. There's a connection tonight with your heritage. There is a salutation to these great artists who have come from India. This is a process where you are celebrating your culture, but also adding. There are a couple of Indian associations in Dubai and the Northern Emirates whom I have not been able to crack. I keep wondering what keeps them going, because they aren't the typical Indian associations. Thiruvananthapuram is one of them. And there is an Urdu word which can describe their passion. The word is junoon. There's a certain obsessive, and when I say obsessive, it's not a negative connotation. There's a certain obsessiveness in this friends from Thiruvananthapuram who have taken it on themselves every year to go through the pains for an ultimate pleasure of personally enjoying the performance, at the same time taking it to a different level. And every year I see, this is my second year, but these are pure volunteers, but look at the quality of the presentations, of the invitation cards, the brochures, the write-ups, and this is pure passion speaking. So I want you to appreciate them, because these are crazy people and we need crazy people like that so that our culture survives. And I have said this repeatedly. I mean, the last people on this planet to worry about the survival of culture are the Indians. Our culture is very strong. Nothing is going to blow it away. We imbibe the best and we strengthen our own culture. This is a quality. And performances like this, in this fast-paced world, when you see a performance like this, it is like time stands still. Otherwise, the music is fast these days, the films, dances, everything moves fast, but performances like this is the emotions of life in real time are being celebrated and preserved. So this is unique. This is unique. I remember 3 days back I was in somebody's house and we had an impromptu recitation of Indian poetry, Urdu and Hindi poetry. I mean, where else in the world would you have a cultural celebration where people sit on the floor and they are just reciting poetry, and with so much emotion that people cry? I'm sure performances like this will also evoke the same feelings. It moves you. These are unique aspects of our culture, and I'm delighted, and the consulate has supported these efforts through the years. I will continue to do that because we all need to do it. I thank you for inviting us. I thank you for inviting such distinguished artists from India, for putting up this show year on year. And I wish you all the best, and I wish this lovely audience a continuous 3-4 days of what you'd call international class Kathakali and related performances. Thank you.
തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തിൻ്റെ ഈ അസുലഭമായ ഈ സന്ദർഭം കലാകാരന്മാരായ ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് ഒരിക്കലും മറക്കാൻ സാധിക്കില്ല എന്നുള്ളത് അറിയുകയാണ്. ഇത്ര ബൃഹത്തായ ഈ വേദി ഞങ്ങൾക്ക് വേണ്ടി ഒഴിഞ്ഞു തന്ന തിരുവനന്തപുരത്തിൻ്റെ ഭാരവാഹികളോടും അത് അങ്ങേയറ്റം ആസ്വദിക്കാൻ വേണ്ടി വന്ന നിങ്ങൾ സഹൃദയരായ കലാപ്രേമികളായ നിങ്ങളോട് എല്ലാവരോടും നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് വളരെ സന്തോഷത്തോടുകൂടി ഞാൻ നിർത്തുന്നു. നമസ്കാരം.
വളരെ സന്തോഷപൂർവ്വം തിരനോട്ടത്തിൻ്റെ ഈ പ്രവർത്തനങ്ങൾ ഭംഗിയായി നടക്കട്ടെ എന്ന് ആത്മാർത്ഥമായി പ്രാർത്ഥിക്കുകയാണ്. ഈ പരിപാടിക്ക് ഇവിടെ എത്താനും ഇത്രയും നമ്മുടെ നാട്ടുകാരെ ഒരുമിച്ച് കാണാനും സാധിച്ചതിലുള്ള ഭാഗ്യം ഞങ്ങൾക്കുണ്ടായത് ഈ വർഷം തിരനോട്ടം എന്ന സംഘടനയിൽ കൂടിയാണ്. മറ്റൊരു കാര്യം, we are sharing the same stage, not this stage, another stage. Last year we shared one stage in Dubai. So I am too lucky to join with our ambassador. Thank you, sir. ഈ വർഷത്തെ ഉത്സവത്തിന് എല്ലാവിധ ആശംസകളും നേർന്നുകൊണ്ട് ഈ ക്ഷണത്തിന്, ഈ സ്വീകരണത്തിന് നന്ദി പറഞ്ഞുകൊണ്ട് നിർത്തുന്നു. നന്ദി, നമസ്കാരം.